Hello, this recording will cover how to create a new VoiceThread for an assignment. The first thing to do is to find the link to the VoiceThread assignment in your course. Here it is with the VT icon next to it. Go ahead and click the link. VoiceThread will automatically open in a new window in your browser. Here we can see any other VoiceThreads that have been added from our course. On the upper right, look for Add Your Own and click on that. VoiceThread will ask you if you want to create a new VoiceThread or select from a previous VoiceThread you've created, perhaps for another course. In this case, we want to create a new VoiceThread. To create a new VoiceThread, there are 3 steps: adding media, commenting, and sharing. So the first step we do is click on the Add Media area. Most often you're going to select files or images from your computer. You might go into media sources to select from Google Drive, or you might choose to do a webcam photo or a webcam video right here. In this case, I'm going to go into my computer. I'm going to select an image. As that is uploading, I can give my VoiceThread a title. Now for every image I add, I need to click on this Add Media button here. If I had selected a document, VoiceThread would have uploaded 1 slide for every page of my document. If I want to change my title, I can click Edit here. VoiceThread is a cloud-based service, so that means you can edit it at any time. If I hover over this slide, I also get an Edit button here, or I could delete it here. So I've done step 1, Add Media. Now I'm going to go into step 2, Comment. In step 2, I go down to the comment bubble here in the lower right, in the lower middle. I click on that and I see my choices. Most often, students use text comments, audio comments, or video comments. If I do a sample text comment here, I type in my comment, save it, and it will be loaded on the left-hand margin over here. I can come back and edit this if I notice something that I left out, or I could delete it and start again. I can also add an audio comment. I'll always get a countdown for this, and then I will use the stop recording. Hi, this is a sample text comment. A sample audio comment. There's also a doodle function here for audio or video comments, so if I want to draw attention to something on the screen, I can do that there. And then I click stop recording when I'm done. Stop recording. Hi, this is a sample text comment. A sample audio comment. There's also a doodle function here for audio or video comments, so if I want to draw attention to something on the screen, I can do that there. And then I click stop recording when I'm done. So VoiceThread's given me a choice now. I can cancel this and do it again, or I can save it. So you can always come back in and update your comments if you'd like to. Every comment I make gets loaded on the left-hand corner here. Once I'm done commenting, I go to the X in the upper right to return to my VoiceThread menu. And the final thing that I do is I share and return to course. VoiceThread asks me to verify that, and I click it again. And there is my presentation in the course. So good luck, and I hope you enjoy using VoiceThread.